Yo, Wagwan, this is your boy nicolasmadeit. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna give away 6 production tips and a bonus about making beats in flstudiomobile and how it can help you be efficient and more creative and make a lot of music. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. Thank you once again. You can subscribe, comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Let's get straight to it. Peace. What do I mean when I say save presets? It means that for everything that you do, you will have to save it for next time so that you don't have to repeat the process. It makes you more creative and you save a lot of time. I'll show you how to save presets, and you can save it on anything like the drums, the 808, the flutes, the everything, whatever you add. And you can even name your presets, and you will find it when you search for it on the presets. Now I'm trying to name this presets for my distortion. So when you can't even add the distortion on the next project, you can go to the presets, you will find it, and then simple as that. Now after naming this, I want to show you how to find the presets on my other beat that I was working on, and then it's so simple and it's very important. I use it all the time. I feel like it saves time, and mostly when you are creating a lot of stuff, you end up losing momentum and you get tired. The ears get the you get the ear fatigue, and like you just want to stop doing the same thing over and over again. So it's better to come decide, look for the preset, and there it is. These are some of my presets. I just save whatever I want to save, and yeah, go and try this. Tip is the best. Right now I'm going to make a simple beat, something new. I'm going to use one sound. I will use SFX. Try to find a sound that I can use with, and there's some drums and 808, and just try to show you that like you can with one note, one sound, one everything. You don't need much all the time, like or chord progressions. Yeah. just sometimes you don't need to always create. You need to just learn, explore, go through everything you've done. Some of your mix, your mastering, and your DAW, your software. Learn the software. What is it all about? Well, how can you improve? How can you do better? What can you find out? Anything new? Any new updates? Learn more about your DAW software. Like how can you pitch it? Like how can you use the pitch modulation with the? How can you use the keyboard with the MIDI keyboard? How do you even connect the MIDI keyboard on the FL mobile? And how do you use like how do you add instruments on the keyboard? How do you use the channel? There's so much you need to learn your DAW. Not always gonna make beats. Sometimes I just fool around, trying to learn more and be better than yesterday and check out some new things. You need to check and find out because nobody will do it for you. You need to learn more and be more creative and more exposed.